Hi everybody, so we are back from our little trip. It's so funny because as I came back, I did notice that I received mail, and the mail that I received was from Aaron's Collecting and Detecting. If you do not know him, I'll leave a link below. Also, I'll try to put one up on top here. Go over to his channel, tell him that TCC sent you. He had a giveaway and I won one of his giveaways, so it was this Barry Bonds card. Really cool card, so thank you, Aaron, for that. And then he also sent me cards that I needed to finish completing some of my sets. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, Aaron. This is from last year's 2019 Series 2. That I needed a few cards, so he is helping me do that, complete my sets. I really thank you very much, Aaron, for that. Like I said, head over to him, tell him that Mike from TccBaseball sent you. Really cool guy, has great giveaways, great channel. Now let me show you what I picked up from the machine. I picked up 2 packs of 91 Upper Deck. That was 75 cents each. I picked up 2 packs of Series 1 1992 Score. That was 75 cents each also. Then I picked up 2 of the 91 Archives. This was $1.50 each. Nice cards. I'll wait till you see them. And these were $1 each. This is like his little grab bags that he has for $1, so I decided to try it out. And $1 for the 88 Donruss. So let's start opening these up, see what we could find in here. We'll start with the 91 Upper Deck. Tell me what you think of the vending machine. Let's move these on the side. Let me know what you think. I kind of like it. Never know what they're going to have. Roger Clemens, nice card. Wasn't expecting that. Willie McGee, good player. Oh, cards are every which way. Howard Farmer. Jeff Bagwell. Nice. Oh, rookie card? Not sure. Looks like it. What is this one? Checklist. Some upside down cards. Jeff M. Robinson. We have a Blue Jays, nice sticker. And a Brian Downing. Alright, so pretty good 1 pack. We got that Clemens. Let's go to the next one. Next pack, Pat Kelly. Prospect. The Bashing Years, McGuire. Cool card. So we found something in each pack so far. Hey, we have a Justice. Nice. Cool card. See what else we find here. Lonnie Smith. Tigers. And Mitch Williams. Okay, that rounds out the 2 Upper Decks. Let's go to the 2 Scores now. Let's see. Ron Gant starts us off. Vince Coleman. Eubie Brooks. Dwight Evans. David Getty. Paul Gibson. Rookies prospect Carlos Rodriguez. Hey, nice Griffey. Nice cartoonage there. Dave Winfield. All right, so that was the first pack of Score. Let's go to the second pack. So it looks like we're pulling out at least one good card per pack. If I go past anything, guys, let me know in the comments below. Steve Finley, Rich Rodriguez. All right, well, nothing in that one. Not that I've seen. All right, let's go over to our Donruss little pack here for $1. I'm kind of surprised that I saw this in there, but I figured why not take a shot at it. So here we go. This is 88 Donruss. Rich Honeycutt. Joe Price. We have puzzle pieces. Shane Rawley, Diamond Kings. Jack Clark, Roger Clemens, nice. George Bell. Hey, nice rookie card, rated rookie. Jeff Treadway, rookie. Pat Clemens. And that looks about it for that pack. Okay, now I'm going to save the two archives for last. We're going to go into his little grab bag and see what his grab bag gives us for $1. All right, so here we go. Let's start off with some Donruss. We go into some Topps. 2 Davis. We do have a Bonds. Okay, I think I got that card already though. And let's see who else we got. Rick Cerrone. This is a second-year card. All right, Ozzie Guillen, Whitaker, John Franco. Looks like it was a bust. All right, couple cards there, not that bad. What I'm counting on is these archive packs. You guys got to see this. This is 1991. 1991. This is first year for archives, and what they did was reprint the 53 set. So when I saw these packs there, this could be amazing. All right, so let's start with the first card. See, it's a total reprint of the 53 set. Very cool. You'll see these more in more detail when I show you the set in the couple of days to come. But great cards. Like I said, this is 91 Topps archives, the first year for archives. Okay, no major stars in that pack. Let's go to the next pack. Last pack, here we go, everybody. 91 archives. Great stars in this. Hopefully these were never opened. It doesn't look like it. And for $1.50 a pack, hopefully they weren't. Tell me what you think about the vending card machine. I think it's a pretty cool machine. I like going there just to see what's new, what might have been replaced, sold out. Here we go. We have a Campanella, Roy Campanella, nice card. Let's see who else. We have a Yogi Berra. We are hitting some stars now. Nice card. And that looks like about it. But those are two good ones. All right, so those two cards, the Berra and the Campanella, these two probably paid for the whole vending machine expense that I did. Anyway, this is Mike from the Collectors Corner saying thank you all for watching. If you're not a subscriber, click that circle coming up right around there. Do that with the bell notification so you know when I post a new video. And then all you have to do to be in our giveaway is give the video a thumbs up and comment below. Till next time, everybody, take care. See you then. Bye.